What is going on, guys? Your main man James, and today I'm gonna be showing you an amazing method where you can promote multiple offers in pretty much any niche and make a lot more money. And this is a very unique method. I don't think I've talked about this particular method before, so definitely pay close attention. Okay, so we're gonna start with ClickBank here, and then we're gonna go somewhere else that you may be surprised to a place that we're gonna go, but it's gonna be a very unique and interesting method. And so here on ClickBank, we are looking to promote a particular offer. Okay, and like I said, the offers I'm thinking about typically are the so-called big offers, and this is business and investing, making money online, entrepreneurship, anything having to do with financial independence, side hustle, anything having to do with money, anything having to do with, putting the bread on the table, so to speak. The second type of niche that I typically look at is health and fitness. Okay, I really like health and fitness, and everybody, there's always going to be demand for health and fitness products. And then last but not least, self-help I go into. Now, in this particular niche, in this particular method, the niche we're going to be working with is health and fitness. You can work with any niche that you want. I just really like health and fitness. And another reason I'm going to be talking about health and fitness today is that previously I've been talking a lot about make money online, and some people have told me that, hey, James, we want to see other methods besides, in addition to making money online, besides making money online. So can you talk about something else? And that is exactly why I'm making this video. So if we sort them by gravity from high to low in descending order, I'm gonna go ahead. I want to pick an offer, and I want to pick an offer that I kind of understand how it works. Okay, I see this Java burn. I'm not really sure what it does. Like maybe that's burning fat, but why is Java there? And there's probably a good reason why it's there, but I don't want to think, right? Java burn. I have no idea what this offer is. There's no description, nothing. High gravity, but no description. Okay, now we're getting warmer, right? We have flat belly tonic, which is an offer that, I can understand. Okay, I don't know what Okinawa is, but flat belly, okay, if I use this offer, if I purchase the product, the service, they're promising me a flat belly. Okay, I understand that. But one of the most kind of offers, one of the most kind of self-explanatory, I would say, offers is the smoothie diet, right? The smoothie diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. Not only is it really easy to understand exactly what this offer is about, and that speaks volume, right? That's a very big part of it. But it's also an offer that with a relatively high gravity, right? It's fairly high gravity, which means that there's a lot of action, there's a lot of interest in this offer. And, it's a good offer that we're going to be working with today, okay? And you can kind of open that, so you can open the landing page, and you can also open the affiliate page here as well. And you can have a look. So this is welcome affiliates, or get 75% commission, earn over $100 per sale. This is their landing page. So it's a very nice landing page. And this is like, half the battle, because you would be surprised how many other, there are offers out there and products and stuff like that with very poorly designed landing page. So this is actually a good thing, right? They have these testimonials here. They have more testimonials, right? This is on Twitter. And yeah, looks good to me. There's a video presentation we can watch, or we can just read the landing page. Looks good to me. And also, let's not forget, we have the, you can get your affiliate tools by clicking here. So there's a lot of things happening here, okay? And so we're going to go ahead and promote this offer. But I also want to promote another offer, okay? And so we can pick another offer here on ClickBank. You can pick Okinawa flat belly tonic, or you can promote any other. But I would, these offers, they have to be from the same niche. Or we can head over to OfferVault and pick a max bounty offer, a CPA marketing offer, right? So we can just go into categories and type health and seeing what we have here. So there's a lot of interesting offers. We do not want to pick an offer that's going to give us like $1 or $2. It's not going to be a sign-up offer. I want like a sale offer, right? So we can actually come in here. We could choose max bounty right here in the networks. We can choose max bounty, see what they offer if you have a max bounty account. And then CPA marketing, you don't want to pick, with a $300 payout. It's just too high. It's going to be kind of hard to convert because it's going to require a lot of things from people. But look at this. You have a ton of max bounty offers that pay, I would even say You can pick an offer that pays like $30, right? Because you guys got to understand that the more the payout, the higher the payout, the harder it's going to be to convert, because they probably, they're obviously going for higher quality traffic. So it's going to be more expensive. It's going to be more challenging. So with CPA marketing, remember, you do not want, a low payout, but you don't want like a too high of a payout. You want something in the middle. And look at this. There's a lot of these fitness desktop program, immune supplements. So let's say we take this immune supplement. You're going to log into your Max Bounty account, and you're going to get a link. If you don't have Max Bounty, then it's not a problem. You can just come in here. You can just remove it and pick another offer. So you can promote, several ClickBank offers, or you can mix and match and promote one ClickBank, one Max Bounty offer, okay? Now, what we're going to do here, after that, you're going to Google for a tool called Linktree, okay? So you can just Google it. It's 2 words. It's actually 1 word that's combined. That's a combination of 2 words, link and tree, right? The domain is going to be this one right here. This is what you're going to Google for. And then when you log into the site, you're going to be on this side that looks something like this. The only link you'll ever need, connect audiences to all of your content with just one link, okay? And you're going to get started for free. So I'm going to log into my account and I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so I went ahead and created a new account just to show you the sign-up process. So it's asking me to pick a plan. I'm going to sign up for the free plan right here. I'm going to continue. And here I am basically at the dashboard. And so what I want to do, guys, I want to add a link. I'm going to click this and I'm going to add my link. So the title is going to be 21 Days Smoothie Diet. Okay. And the URL is going to be, I'm going to go back to ClickBank. I'm going to go in here, going to click on Promote. Going to click on Generate Hop Links. Going to copy that. And I'm going to go back to Linktree. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to paste the URL. Okay. So now I have one link. I can add a new link. Okay. I can add a new link. So I'm going to say title. We're going to go back to our Max Bounty. And I think we had an offer in mind. Let's say I pick Max Bounty here. I think we had an offer. So let's say we want to promote this offer, Yoga International. Let's say we want to promote this offer, VIC 75 Immune System Supplement. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go back to my admin and I'm going to paste it as the title. Okay, so something like this, going to format it. And this is going to be my Max Bounty URL. Okay, so I'm just going to put maxbounty.com. And now I have 2 links, right? This is kind of what I have. And essentially now I have one URL that somebody goes to. And let's say this is the URL I can share, and I'm going to show you in a second. And we have 2 links. I can create more links, right? I can change the appearance. I can go to appearance. I can change it to this. Okay, I can make it something like this. That looks kind of cool. Maybe I want something having to do with losing weight, right? I can customize it. I can have an image. I can have a profile page. I can go to settings. I can change. I can add all of these. I can have support banners. Mail list integrations. I can have social icons. Lots of crazy things that I can do. Lots of very interesting things. Lots of very, very powerful things they can do. But the point I want to show you is that now that we have 2 links, it's kind of like a mini website, mini web page. We have this link here. Now we need traffic. How are we going to get traffic? Well, I'm going to show you how we can get traffic. You're going to Google for solo ads. You're going to read about it, okay? Solo ads are essentially you're renting somebody else's email list. You're buying traffic on somebody else's email list and you're paying per click. That's really what it is. So instead of building your own list, you are sending an offer to somebody else's list and you're paying for every time somebody clicks on that list. Now, you can essentially, you can kind of read about it. There's a lot of directories, there's a lot of sites, but I highly recommend Udemy, right? This is what I recommend. And so you're going to head over to Udemy. That's udimi.com. You're going to log in. You're going to create your account. I'm going to have a link in the description that you can use to sign up. And you're going to go into find sellers, okay? Now, here's a filter we have. So you don't need to mess with the price. You just want to go into niche, and you can pick the niches. We're going to pick health. We don't really need to pick anything else. And once we do that, we have a list of users. It automatically refreshes the list. Now, pay close attention because at the top, we have 3 promoted users. So if you want to do business with them, that's fine, but maybe it's going to be more expensive. Maybe it's possibly it's going to be a little bit more expensive than some of these other users. But if you want to scroll down, you're just going to see regular users that are coming up in the search results because they have very, very positive reviews. So here's one guy, here's another guy, solo ad seller with 9 years experience. He's actually online right now. Have more than 314 testimonials on Warrior Forum, providing US only and regular minimum 85% tier 1 traffic. Tier 1 is these Western English speaking countries, these Canada, US, UK, New Zealand, Australia. These are he's actually from Lithuania. If you scroll down, you're gonna see it's 72% top tier. So this is fairly good, right? It's so as you can see, it's like all of these top 4, these are tier 1. Then India is not tier 1, but India was only 2%. So as you can see, we have UK 6, US 58, Australia 3. So that looks pretty good. He has a bunch of friends. Video ratings. There's some video testimonials. We have more testimonials coming up. So this looks good, right? You can see their local time. Their ratings from buyers, percentage of ratings where buyers report sales, 37%. That's pretty good. Repeat orders, and average time it takes for the seller to accept a new order is 1 hour. And so here you can order the clicks. So we can order 100 clicks. It's going to cost us 50 cents per click, and we can specify a couple of options. So we can specify a prime filter, a top tier, only mobile, no mobile. You can also do a link only or even some ad text if you want. So it's really up to you. And for the link, obviously, you're going to be sending them to this to the link tree you have. So you're going to copy that link, head over back to Udemy, and you're going to paste this link right here. Allow the seller to start traffic delivery earlier than scheduled. Okay, so you can do that. So as you can see, it's 50 cents for 100 clicks. That's $50 plus a $3 service fee. So you can do more. It's going to recalculate. He's selling anywhere from 100 to 500 clicks. So I would recommend starting off with a smaller amount. That way you can test the traffic, and then you can just pay by credit card or PayPal, okay? And he has about the offer. He has a description, kind of a little mini sales page, a couple of things. So I recommend always starting off with a small amount. You don't want to buy 500 clicks and then see they're not working with your offer. You want to order a little bit. Now, the way you can enhance this method is obviously the link tree. You could add more links. You can, add header. You can embed music, add video link. You can do all of these nice things, but you can just add regular links. So you can add a bunch of more links. So that is something you can test with. Just remember that the more options you give to the user, the more confused they're typically going to be. So I would not give them like 10 links to explore. I would just give them like 2 or 3 links or something like that. But that is the way you do it, right? And that way you can promote multiple offers. You can promote multiple ClickBank offers. You can promote multiple max bounty offers. You can promote multiple, you can do mix and match. You can do a lot of nice things. And later on, you can just open this up and you're going to see lifetime analytics, right? You're going to see exactly what's happening with your links. What are people clicking on? What is working? What is not working? It's going to be a very, very powerful system. Because this is the way you do it. This is the way you do it because you want to track everything that you do. All right, guys. So that is the method I wanted to share with you guys right now. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any concerns. Let me know in the comment box, or you have a comment about something. I read all comments and I reply to all comments. So definitely do not be shy. Let me know what you think. Like this video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss new methods that are published every single day.